I think the first thing that I would say is there's a lot of pressure, isn't there, from external sources about having the perfect Instagram, perfect Christmas, and all the adverts on TV where you see all these families having a lovely time. And the reality is life isn't quite like that, is it? We're all trying to, do our jobs, look after the kids, all the busy things that we have going on. People have caring responsibilities. And for some people, Christmas or the other festive celebrations aren't actually something that they struggle at that time of year. So, whatever sort of stage of life you're in, whatever personal circumstances you're in, it's different for everyone, isn't it? And I think the first thing that's really important is just sitting down and speaking with the family. And what I mean by this is just finding out, what does everyone need over Christmas? What are the really important things, the non-negotiables? Then what would everybody like? And then it's about working out how then you can provide this Christmas that everyone's kind of, put out on the table, and then allocating who's responsible, because actually it doesn't always have to land with one person. So, the kids can get involved. They can be contributing, and it can be in small ways if they're little. But if everyone has a role in bringing that, Christmas, family Christmas or dream Christmas, or if you're on your own, it might be what plans you're going to make with friends. What joy can you bring for your Christmas in whatever situation you're in.